Hi, my name is Juliette Barnaby, and I'm here to talk to you about the Mi'kmaq Writers Award. This award began in 2008. It was an initiative of the chief and councils of the three Mi'kmaq communities of Geskapegiak, Gespeg, and Listuguj. The leadership wanted to recognize various Mi'kmaq members from Gespegawagi for their creative writing, and storytelling seemed like a natural fit, as this is a deep-rooted part of our culture. With the help of donations, the Mi'kmaq Writers Award was born. This initiative is the celebration of Mi'kmaq members who put pen to paper and submitted a story. We are currently in our 10th year, and we are so excited to share this awesome initiative with you each and every year. This award is not only about writing and winning, it's about being honored by your peers. It's about recognition, about the fact that your story is awarded for excellency and original Mi'kmaq content, and your words will be read by generations to come. We are so thankful to everyone who submitted their story and those who continue to submit. Who knows, your story could become the next published booklet. So please take the time today to submit an original story about your thoughts, your emotions, your imagination, and your Mi'kmaq perception of the world around you. Check out our Facebook page and our website, www.mi'kmaway.ca, for official rules and regulations. Wala liyoch.